Everyone, millions watching the markets right now. Wall Street has entered the chat, and the only thing that comes to mind is that all you got? 44, 43, 42, 41. The last 48 to 72 hours, everybody. Like, what's happening, man? Why are we going down? Weren't we supposed to go up, passing 50K? I was one of those. Let's be honest. I was bullish, right? But like they often say, once it goes to mainstream media, everybody knows it. Expect a crash, right? Obviously, a lot of money has gone to the ETFs. Institutional money has been showing the Bitcoin ETFs. I've seen some headlines as disaster. Well, guys, it's just another opportunity for the diamond hands to continue DCAing your average down, but also for people that are new to the industry to realize that crypto oftentimes shows its true colors. And hey, man, a lot of paper hands are going to be leaving, complaining, and all of this. And it is what it is, guys. Not much, but the resilience of the crypto army holding, waiting for a bottom, and finally we can skyrocket once again. This indeed is just manipulation at its best. If you are able to withhold, which, guys, to be honest with you, this, like, that's what I'm saying. Is that really all you got? 41, under 40, 38, 39, which is a price, couple of price targets that I have on my head, which we've been talking in the lives. There's obviously fear, there's obviously FOMO, there's obviously, the retail investor side where we want to finally see some green. But I'll tell you something. Um, we are at much better prices to buy a Bitcoin than we were at $49,000 just a couple hours ago, right? It is the truth, right? But then, Oscar, like, when are we exactly going to rally? Well, we had a scenario where the halving was going to be the sell-off news, and this ETF was going to be our bullish news. And I saw that in multiple different places. It's not happening as of right now. 41. Let's talk about this, guys, because there's a lot to cover in predictions and just understanding mental fortitude. Don't forget to smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. We're still here. We're still here sharing a positive outlook that we are here for long term. You guys are going to be completely fine. Everybody in the industry knows that. We just have to be mature adults and not panic sell. The moment you panic sell, you relinquish your rights to becoming crypto millionaire by selling because you couldn't withstand. Obviously, it's easier said than done. I know that going to your portfolio and opening up and seeing that it's less and less and less, especially if you were longing and now you're getting liquidated. Oh man, those are the worst ones. But just have to go back down to earth and realizing that this is just not a 1 week scenario. We still don't even have a week after the Bitcoin ETF. So let not this picture right now, 42, almost 41, be the end story, right? So first thing I'm gonna tell you, welcome to the volatility of Bitcoin ETF holders. And ouch, right? All of them are Bitcoin ETFs, and look at them right now, down red. Like I was saying earlier, right? Now the new crypto exposed investors that are not doing crypto but are buying the Bitcoin ETFs are realizing, oh, it was a sell the news event. It happens, right? But at the end of the day, we know long term is where you want to be. 1.70 trillion right now, almost 5% down. We have some major winners, some major losers. The bond continues going down, obviously selling off. And this is really what's going on. I mean, there's great momentum still. Going to the 1 day, we're going back to prices early 2024. Still, we have some support levels. We have gone through two already, the 44, the 43. I have the 40s. And then after that, well, obviously that will be under 40. And we're looking roughly at around $39,000 according to the Fibonacci retracement that I don't have it here right now, but those are the levels that I've seen already before. And we can add, some RSI and Bollinger Bands just to give you an idea that we were overbought, right? I mean, we knew that eventually. Overbought is just we need some type of reset And you're seeing right now that even in the other side on the 4 hours, there it is. There's the oversold. Now that it's oversold, if it continues going down, much better opportunity for crypto to rally eventually, right? And that's what we want. I'm gonna go ahead and open the rainbow chart, which does help us put everything in perspective. Look, what's going on right now? It's just a tiny slope, that tiny retracement. Don't get hooked that, oh man, the sky is falling. We're still higher from the prices that we were before, and we're still in accumulation level. Oh man, I remember that basically a fire sale, and everybody will give everything to go back to those levels. I'm not saying we're gonna go down to 20s or so. Obviously, I think that's not gonna happen. But as long as you see cheaper Bitcoin, people are gonna be rushing to get more. People are liquidating it because they know there's a lot of money that is excess capital, is excess liquidity. They want to reset the market, go back to the median, right? And then go up, go up from there. Build starting from there. They knew that $49,000 really fast was probably not the best strategy to move forward with Bitcoin, but that's where I see things going on. Guys, we're gonna be completely fine. We're still looking that by the end of this long-waited 4-year cycle to the Bitcoin halving, I'm pretty positive we're going to be looking at about $50,000. $50,000 for Bitcoin should be enough in the next coming months. And, I've seen and I've shared with you guys in the lives predictions that go from $100,000 in 2024 to $250,000 by the end of 2025. So, all of these are bulls. All of these are people that are looking ahead to Bitcoin. But let me tell you something. Bitcoin has always beaten the all-time high, and oftentimes bidding against Bitcoin hasn't been the best ROI strategy. It's an asset that now is recognized and adopted by a lot of asset under management companies and institutions. So don't let these massive red candles discourage you. It's what happens, and we just have to swallow it. As of right now, if I come to my Twitter page, well, for once, Kramer maybe you're right about something. Bitcoin dominance is forming. There's monies flowing from Bitcoin to Ethereum to other different altcoins. Why? Well, because Ethereum, it's now looking as, let's go ahead and find Ethereum here. It's now looking at getting its ETF. That's what I saw. Let me tell you, Ethereum ETF. I saw some different charts, and there's obviously, momentum like this one. So Bank Ethereum ETF, R21 shares ETF. So I gotta double check this one, but it does seem that now it's the next runner up. So money's flowing out, but still perfect opportunity to dollar cost average your positions in Bitcoin and other ones. Just wait for their nice rally. As of right now, it's risky, but you know, uh, you sometimes need to swallow, go through the pain for long term wealth. And this is exactly how you become a millionaire. Right now, the trend looks like we're going to be going down 40K. So have cash in hand, guys. That's what I have. And, we're going to end up in a good median, high 30s, mid 30s, the lowest in my personal opinion. And then from there, going all the way back up just like as fast as we dropped. So once we start seeing those green candles, everybody, people are gonna go insane and crazy. FOMO starts from then. Bull market is activated. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is what's going on. FY, relax. You do the show. Peace.